Can you see people waiting on other side footpath? It's a queue for free, ready to eat food. And these two queues starting from same origin on this footpath. One of these going away from us is for free gift coupon holders from police families. And another queue on this side is for general customers purchasing groceries from Sahkar Bhandar. Few years back, this Sahkar Bhandar was taken over by Reliance. It's 10:15. Free food queue starts moving. Some still hesitant to join. Some carrying sacks. Look like outstationed, shelterless, stranded people in this city. Social distancing norms are violated for a moment. There are some corona fighters in this general queue, but they are not that fortunate to receive either free gift coupons or a separate privileged queue. Police patrol and supervise the proceedings of free food distribution service and instruct volunteers to act and maintain discipline. Beneficiaries. Some got two. It seems to be biryani and banana. Queue movement stopped for a while to avoid crowd at counter. Queue movement started again. This benefited gentleman still looked to be upset. Looks like departed from his family. In this something like food fair. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Finally, all companions, family members come together. You halted once again. Satisfied beneficiaries. Satisfied beneficiaries go home hurriedly. Of course, we can't read faces because of masks. You started moving. RTO cop relieved volunteer. Yes, the volunteer was relieved to get his food. He keeps his food in a place. Resumes his duty. Police revisit. Volunteer updates. Another volunteer also updates police. What this another volunteer is doing? He kept his belongings. Might be his share of food in safer place. Now this volunteer, what is he doing with his food? Is he going away? No. He is sharing his food. He is sharing his food with someone else. Queue halted once more, but this time not stopped by volunteers. Might be stopped at counter itself. There might be some problem at counter. But anyway, we started moving once again. The volunteer instructs the returning beneficiaries to move along the another side of the road to avoid crowding on the one side of the road. Queue moving very slowly as if it is jammed. Yes, The movement has almost stopped from counter itself, and volunteer also comes in action and stop the people in the move, stop the people in the queue from moving forward to avoid some untoward incidents like stampede or something like that. It's 10:42 a.m. and volunteer received message from counter and declares that food stock for distribution is over. People in the queue still don't believe and they remain unmoved. Yeah, but the volunteers are moving back. They are going away. Some people in the move have gone. Some people in the queue have left the queue, but most of them are moving forward. Now some other volunteers have come in action and they tell the people in the queue to go away as there is no more food stock left for distribution. People still keep on moving forward towards the counter in expectations. Hand in hand social distancing. You almost have finished. Last few persons, tailenders, latecomers, still moving forward in expectations. Now practically you has finished. Good show in all, you can say. But more than 1,500 people have been benefited. See this, last beneficiary is returning. Some got 2, but few could not get it 2. Like these 2. Returning empty-handed. So that's all for the free food distribution. Reliance Sahakar Bhandar opens at 9 o'clock in the morning. But the general customers start standing in queue since 7 o'clock. During these lockdown periods, it takes about 3 hours for purchasing groceries here. But today, as there is separate additional queue for free gift coupon holders from police families, it will take about 5 hours for purchasing groceries here. Of course, there are some corona fighters in this general queue as well. They have to perform about 12 hours essential duty and then wait here for 5 hours today for purchasing their groceries.